Most people think that hiking longer just means getting in better shape. But after hiking and backpacking for over 30 years, I've learned something important. A lot of hikers get exhausted, not because they're out of shape, but because of how they hike. So today I'm going to show you a few simple things that can double how long you can hike without getting tired. And one of these tricks comes from watching experienced mountain porters walk in places like Nepal. They carry huge loads, but somehow never seem to be exhausted. Most people hike like they're trying to conquer the mountain. They power up the hills. They take big steps. They even try to push their pace. And after a few miles, they're completely wiped out. But experienced hikers don't think about hiking that way. They think about energy management, because the goal isn't to hike hard, it's to hike all day. One of the biggest mistakes that beginners make is trying to keep their normal hiking pace when the hills start climbing. The moment that the hill starts to tilt upwards, you should start to slow down immediately. Think of it like shifting gears in a truck going uphill. Good hikers aren't fast uphill. They're just consistent. Here's a trick that changes how much energy you use going uphill. A lot of hikers reach forward with their feet like this. When you do that, you actually pull yourself forward with smaller muscles. Instead, try landing your foot almost directly under your body. When your foot lands under your center of gravity, your glutes and your thighs do most of the work. Those are the biggest muscles in your body. And so that means that they fatigue slower. If you watch experienced mountain porters in videos in places like Nepal, you'll notice that they walk this exact same way even when they're carrying massive loads. This one's huge for beginners, and it actually surprises a lot of people. The faster that you want to hike, the smaller your footsteps should actually be. Because big steps burn energy quickly, but small steps keep your effort steady. Sometimes the best move isn't going straight up the hill. It's zigzagging in order to make your efforts easier. This one here can be a powerful mindset shift. Here's the rule that you see a lot of long-distance hikers following. Never hike at 100%. The moment that you feel like you're pushing hard, you're already going too fast. The hike is to hike around 70 to 80% effort all day long. When I was through hiking the Colorado Trail, this became very obvious to me. If I pushed too hard on climbs early in the day, I paid for it hours later. Now here's a big beginner mistake. Your body is constantly burning energy while you hike. The problem is that most hikers wait until they feel tired before they eat or drink anything. But once you finally feel exhausted, your energy reserves are already way too low. Taking the time to eat small snacks about every 45 to 60 minutes can keep your energy steady all day long. Now here's a bonus tip for you. A lot of hikers will lock their knees whenever they're going downhill. But the problem with that is that it sends all of the force directly into your knees. Instead, keep your knees slightly bent so that your muscles absorb most of the impact. Hiking longer isn't really about being the strongest person on trail. It's about using your energy wisely. So slow down, take smaller steps, and let your bigger muscles do most of the work. If you're new to backpacking, I actually made a complete beginner's backpacking kit that helps you with all of the things that you need to know when you're first starting out. I'll make sure to put that link down in the description below. And I also made a 152-page beginner's backpacking guide that shares with you everything I've learned over the past 30 years of backpacking. Because getting out on the trail is only the first step. As always, guys, I hope this was useful for you, and hopefully I see you out on the trail.